obviously Tewa Posa, the managing director of Quality Junction.
My name is Tshehla, and I am the manager mode Tshehla and Sons Tuckshop.
Quality Junction is a corporate development under the Northern Capital. So what we're trying to do really is try to define the access of quality products and affordable products for township businesses.
Quality Junction, it provides stock, trading stock. We stock from them, and then they deliver the stock.
What we're trying to do is to make sure that township businesses have access to quality inventory, and at least they have, inventory management system that can improve their business management.
Quality Junction revuntanaga narva radrowa bragane design everything. So very to design a shop which is Tshehla and Sons Tuckshop.
I'm happy to have you guys here doing the painting and the partnership and everything. The place is now beautiful. I like it so much.
Then now I'm going to go to Talmud and cannot run knowledge, no experience on Namol. Sooner says Quality Junction.
It's a numbers game, right? So every cent counts. So we need to make sure that we count every cent and make sure that we can see the profit margins of every township business.